you think up some more Q&As? The right time to do it, the right time to play. Hey, hey, come on, play now. Winner, winner, winner. Oh, we have another lucky winner. Yes, we have 2, 6 and 9, 21. That's another lucky winner.
Crowds aren't so big today. It's good. It's good reaction. Yeah. It does, doesn't it? We was hanging out at Civic Centre just waiting for like some sort of fireworks to start and shit like that. You know what? We got moved along. It was that offensive, literally. Quite offensive. Some of us didn't even have to give our names. Funny as fuck. Whoa! Look at the weather though. It's quite shit. It's quite shit. Not as bad as NTV Crashes. It's actually okay today. No, it was so bad at NTV Crashes. Basically, I was working in the bar and
I saw you working in the bar, yeah.
you had big massive dips of like water. Basically, if you poked it, all the water would just come falling down on your head. So much water, honestly. My hair was so slick and on point. Yeah.
I lost Sarah that day.
You lost Sarah?
Yeah, she walked off and I was like, I have your phone.
Hey, it's okay. I don't get that actually. The crowd's more bigger down there than it is up there. That's crazy. Well, yeah, exactly. That's the point, isn't it? It's more kids than there is like teens. Oh, Speedy looks like the shit. Speedy looks awesome. It's freaking cool. So my boy Liam is not with me today. It's kind of. I miss that boy.
I'm better though.
Yeah, you ain't. Liam's just all over it and shit. Well, I mean, hey, it's cool. You're here. It's alright, I guess. Ain't too bad. Nah, my boy Liam's like my main partner in crime. We literally were committing crimes.
Kelsey's just your backup plan.
Huh?
Kelsey's just your backup plan.
Yeah, Kelsey's my backup. If I need backup, she's here. She's here. So, what was that challenge that you challenged me and Liam to?
The yoga challenge.
Oh, you want us to do a yoga challenge? Okay.
Hilarious as fuck.
Oh, I bet it would be hilarious as fuck.
You gotta wear like full-on yoga pants and everything.
Oh, we gotta do yoga pants. I reckon that'd be really inappropriate for my YouTube channel. I mean, my ass is quite sexy in yoga pants. Not that I've ever worn them at all, because that'd be just crazy. But yeah, that happened. I reckon it should be flagged like 18 plus. You'll have to do that sign-in thing.
Yeah.
To sign in and then have to verify your age. Nah.
Because I'm not even 18.
Hey! So you wouldn't even be able to watch the challenge that you actually feature in. You know you have to do it with us, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you generally do. That's literally it. Unless you want to call off a challenge if you're not man enough.
Fine, I'll do it.
Oh, she's gonna do it. Yeah. How gnarly. That's gonna be cool. What's up? What's up, Popo? Fucking pigs.
It looks really quiet when you walk up here and you're like, BOOM!
In it, yeah, and then there's like loads of people that get in your way. You're like, oh my
You
god,
don't believe.
let me breathe. Whoa! Whoa, what's going round? Whoa!
Oh my god!
Come on, come on. Yeah, that was good. Oh, 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 oh! Yeah, we're doing it.
Haven't done that one on yet.
Look at them. Yeah,
Yeah, it wasn't working. It was
you
like,
pulled it out.
yeah.
All over that shit. Ooh, yeah, that's good.
Oh, wait, Theo, alright.
Oh, Warren there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Warren. Lap me some Warren. Alright guys, I'll be seeing you all through the night with some fireworks, cool ass video, so keep your eyes posted and see you pretty soon.